Hi guys, a very good afternoon. Masquerase. Let's tackle this issue from Batsirai. He says MDC was formed in 1999, that is 24 years ago. 6-year-olds are now 30-year-olds. They were 18 years when Ncube passed on. I do not know if this is mathematically correct because Ncube passed on around 2017. Most have no attachment to MDC. The only person they relate to is Chamisa. Stop taking us back to your days in MDC. We are now CCC with Chamisa. So this is true, Team Zimbabwe. Nelson Chamisa, yes, he was part of the movement which was led by Ncube. That movement is now with Douglas Monzora. That movement is now with Dagi, Nana Komichi, Nana Mdzuri. These are the people who were left with that movement. All the assets, bank accounts, the infrastructure and everything which were owned by the MDC, they remained with Douglas Monzora and team. All the MPs, they remained with Douglas Monzora. Nelson Chamisa started afresh, started something new after he was chased from that party. He was literally chased from that party. He started his own party called the CCC and is now leading the alternative. This is a new movement which was formed in 2022. But we still have problem of entitlement where people say, isusu 1999 takanga teripo. 1999 kwaiwa kusina CCC. 1999 makavhura party, mukavhura mabank accounts, mukatenga maparty headquarters. Vana Ncube house dzesedzo. Mota dzese dziri kupi? Why are you claiming something entitlement per party isina ma assets, isina ma offices, isina what across the nation? Why are you entitled? Why are you claiming entitlement to that party when you left everything? MDC. We have people who looted my assets at MDC then in 2005 and then in 2014 who are roaming around. These are old people who are roaming around who believe that Iwo Chete and one of parliament, who believe that Iwo Chete they can argue in parliament. You know, this issue of arguing in parliament, everybody does have his own style of arguing within parliament, the confinements of parliament. I believe that Ostalos does have capacity to argue and to debate in parliament. Advocate Fadzai Mahere, a lot of these comrades, they have the capacity and potential to actually argue in parliament, but you continue to sideline them and to treat them as second-class citizens. Why? It's a matter of entitlement. It's a matter of dai tisirisu takadai. Vana dai tisirisu takadai ndo pavati svitsapa. And this is a grouping yevanhu vari kushanda within the borders of Zimbabwe. The journalists, the diasporans, especially those who were advising Nelson Chamisa. There's a cabal of people who advisor Nelson Chamisa who misled Nelson Chamisa. At a certain point in time, I said it publicly and said, Pachedu is selling out. A lot of people attacked me for saying that statement, Pachedu is selling out. Remember, Nelson Chamisa had an upper end regarding to the voters' roll, had an upper end regarding to this election, prior to the election, because of some information yaivapo yaifana kungonge yakavanzwa. But Pachedu was busy publishing that information to make sure that Zeki corrects that and find ways to defend that and to hide manipulating avenues avakanga vachicreate. What does that mean? What it means is Nelson Chamisa went to the election and on the election day, evidence dzavainge vagather as a part dzakanga now dzava exposed ZANU-PF yavhara loopholes ese. These are the issues dzaifanira kushandiswa naNelson Chamisa mukoti kuprova rigging and manipulation. And a lot of people attack Nelson Chamisa and say usina kuenda ku court. While at least we had people who were within the CCC vaita sell out that information Team Pachedu then publicly goes with that information. ZANU-PF corrects that information. Yes, it was not an issue kuti zvinhu zvaingopidigurwa so zvovigwa zvamamuchiziva zvobva zvapidigurwa zvovigwa. So which means CCC intelligence people would work each and every day to find new things. That is the problem we had. Takaitiswa mapping, guys. Honestly, we participated in mapping. We encouraged people to do mapping. But in an election day, and nakuona chakakoshera mapping because I was a candidate. I knew my polling stations are 12, and ndaimaziva pa ari ese ma agents and ndaiva vaimaziva ma locations acho ese. Everybody in the ward knew kuti imwe neimwe polling station yange iri papi. So as other wards dzataiva nadzo muconstituency yese, everybody knew panga pane nenge yake. So what was the point of mapping? Honestly speaking, personally, and the only reason why vanhu vakaita mapping, those are resources which were wasted, time wasted, just because of some people vanenge vachiti tinoziva zvese. I was asking questions to say, can you come and clarify and answer some questions kuti tinzwise kuti mapping yenyu inoshanda papi. But if you raise those issues, maitonzi aiwa ndimi vatengesi, ndimi muri kuita kuti zvinhu zvisafamba zvakanaka, ndimi muri kuda kuti nosoni Chamisa adyiwa. But right now we are asking the same people kuti guys, zviya zvamaita zviya zvese zviya zvakashanda papi. They created my applications anga asingasupporte kumafoni atiinawo kunoku. You create ma applications anoshanda kuma Android 12, Android 10, Android 11, Android 12, Android 8 chaichaiya crash ma application ayaya. And you wonder kuti vaida kuti ashandiswe kupi. So one way or the other, we understand kuti ndo vanhu vakatityisa ivava. And these are the people who were lobbying ma international partners kuti vasange vachibatsira CCC financially. They were lobbying behind the closed doors. That is the reason why we number panama statement aitwa nana team pachedu nana just to bash the opposition, just to expose the opposition. The same people are working in Opo Uchingono. They are friends in Opo Uchingono. Paenda kwa America, they met severally. Why were they meeting with the people who are fighting Chamisa publicly? These are the issues in Zimbabwe zinofana kuti dzinge dzichigadziriswa. Unless we remove this entitlement yekuti tisu chete hakuna vamwe vanozvigona, then we are literally not going anywhere. That is the honest truth. So I believe that we need to fix this, and the only way to fix this is to make sure that competent people are put in positions of power. We allow the party to be built from scratch. Nelson Chamisa must not feel ashamed. He must feel grateful kuti he still have people who are believing in him. We believe in Nelson Chamisa and nothing else. So izvi zvanamga izvi zvavari kuita izvi hazvazvawo guys, but let us remain committed. This is a new movement. My gatekeepers can go to hell. You cannot say, I was an activist, Saka is an activist, I was supposed to be given a position, I deserved a position. That is nonsense. That is nonsense.